the pines where the world has forgotten was still alive, where the dirt roads twist along for no more than a mile, where the old man's bar marks the center of town and the county was never dry, where the people will go, where the people will stay, where they live until they die. Well, I knew a guy, his name was Ricky McCoy, an ass-kicking, bass-fishing good old boy. And he can build a fire in 10 seconds flat, and he can ride a bull even longer than that. Well, he was only 15 when he dropped out of school. He said, "I've never been a genius, but I ain't no fool. I know what I want, and I'ma get it in life, and I ain't never gonna leave this